Yes, how to home Siemens 802 DM, that is for milling. So this is our machine. These are our configurations. As you can see from here, the machine is now is not at home. So we have the button for, this is auto, this is MDI, manual data input, this is jog mode, this is ref, this is for loosening the workpiece, that's work table, this is clamping your work table, maybe you are putting a tool, then this is for arm release, in case there has a tool for the arm, this for homing the magazine, this magazine clockwise, magazine and clockwise. As you can see, this for spindle left, spindle stop, spindle right. This is spindle orientation, that is G19, M19, position the spindle, then magazine home. So in case you want to release, there's a button for every function on this. Then you can use an emergency button, or you can use reset button. You can use emergency button, or you can use reset button. But first of all, home the machine. First of all, click on home, then click on this Z, then click on this positive, it goes home. Click on this Y, click on this positive, it goes home. Until you get this icon, then click on this X, click on this positive, it also goes home, as you can see. So it is now at home. Then in this you can do what you call rapid movement. You can just close the door, and then you test the tool, if the tool can be able to move. For example, if I want to test the tool rapidly, I can just click on this to test do virtual simulation to check if the tool is okay. It can change the tool from the magazine. That's how you do it. Then you can now go to your jog mode or MDI mode, so that you remove this one, jog mode, let's say jog mode, and then you can do also on home referencing. You can also reference your magazine. Yes, you can also reference your magazine. Let's go to jog mode again, so you can go do spindle left. You see it moves. Stop the spindle right, it moves. Or you can stop using reset. Click on reset to stop the spindle. This is cycle start. When you are cutting the program, maybe you have closed the door, you have the program, when you click on cycle start, the machine starts. Yes, and this one you must do in MD auto mode. If you put auto mode and have a program, if you click cycle start, the program starts automatically. Now it starts cutting. You see, it's now cutting. Yes, it is now cutting, but I have not put the tool. This is just a dry run. I'm doing a dry run. This is how you can do your dry run. You see, it is doing a dry run now, not cutting. This is a Siemens controller 802 DM for milling. In case you want to stop, you just click reset, then it will stop. You see, now it has stopped. You can click reset, then it will stop. You can do also feed override. You can click on coolant. The coolant will always come on. If you're using either jog mode, you click on coolant, the coolant will come on. As you can see, coolant will come on. You can adjust your coolant pipe, adjust the coolant pipe. Maybe you see the pipes, maybe they are too high. You can adjust them like that. Very easy. You can position them the way you want, like that. This is how to home Siemens 802D, and this is their controller. These are their functionalities, how you can use them, how you can move around. Once you finish, in case you want to go to get a program, always you can put in jog mode or MDI mode, so that you can edit the program. You cannot edit the program when it is in auto mode. In jog mode, you're able to go to all the parameters. You have setting the base of the work, measuring workpiece. This is measuring the tool, setting the base parameters for X, Y, and Z. Then you can do this. You can also add a tool here. You can add a workpiece, for example, stock and workpiece. For example, this one, the way it is, you can say okay. Then you can say on this workpiece, clamping positions, you can change clamping positions to be maybe like this. Edge clamping, you can put like this. Okay, you see here it changes when you are clamping a tool. And come to machine, here you can put tool management. You can say this is for drilling. I want to add to magazine position number 1, and then you come to maybe boring and add magazine number 2, add to maybe face mill, add to position number 3. It arranges all the tools like that. Then maybe you can say mount, this on the tool. Click OK. You see it mounts the tool on the, it has mounted the tool. Yes. Click OK. Yeah. Click OK. You see it has mounted the tool. Sorry for that. It has mounted the tool. If you look at the tool now, this tool it has mounted. So you can create all this from this. You can also measure the tool now. You can come here. You can do now rapid positioning. You say I want to take origin at the center like this. It goes there. Then you now start setting. You can come here, measure workpiece or measure with the base. So X there 0, Y there 0, Z there 0. Example, and then you can say maybe set or this one equals to that one. You set all these parameters. You can set, then you can also delete the values in case you want to say set the values. Now this becomes the values for our tool. Then you can also come here, measure the tool. You can change here on this. You can change this one to be this one, the base. By changing this, you can say an X. That's where you or say calculate. Then come to Y, calculate. Come to Z, calculate. That is what the values that are there. So that in case you go to your program now, your program, let's go to our program. If you click on auto mode, it comes to the program, this program. On this program, once you have set and you have moved away from the safety, you can now start cutting, or you can create a program, a new program here using this correct. You can correct the program, you can record, you can do a program search, you can do program control, you can say do a dry run or program test here, and then you put in auto mode, and then say cycle start, so that it can now start checking the program. That is only the program test. If you do dry run, also it does the same. If you go to continuous stop, same. If you go to now executing a program, you're able now to correct where the error is coming from this program. Also, okay, you can release this. Then you click on auto mode. You click on cycle start. The tool will start now cutting. Once you have put the right tool on and you've done your correct setting. This is how you do homing for your machine.